Why hello there, this is your good Thomas friend 74, and in this video is going to be a look over at the Trackmaster Generation 1 Sodor Washdown. This was released in 2006 at the early times of Trackmaster Generation 1. Now, the original concept didn't really came from Trackmaster. It originated from TOMY, which is basically the exact same purpose. But a few cosmetic differences. Obviously, like the color scheme is different. There's no like dial here that you turn. It's just a sanitary switch, and it's a two-way switch, not a three-way. And there's like holes right here, which I don't know why. And I built this layout here, which is a basic oval, as you can see. And I got a width here as a demonstration to test this out, so let's have them go. Stops here at this portion here. Now all we need to do is set him to go. Well, let's stop him at the washdown. Now all I see is at the washdown, these wires move, and especially the rollers inside actually indeed roll. Well, you can see it. And once the engine's clean enough, you send him on his way. And the only thing I don't like about this, that it only goes like one direction. See that arrow there? So it can only go this direction. If you want to know what happens if it goes on the other way and stops, see? It only goes this direction. I don't really like that because I would like to have this washdown work both directions, not just one only. See that catch right there is not at the center. It's up like tank engines right here. If this would work both ways, then it could be like a tender engine size. Like I can have like James Gordon having like this. Of course, it would not be like fully clean, but you get the idea. I can have that way as for tender engines, but they chose not to. And if we look at the back of this product, it says Hit Toy Company 2006. So yeah, this is pretty much early time. Some good amount of details. The Sodor wash. Yeah. All engines work on this. Now, you're seeing like those right there. Well, you can actually move the rollers freely. What will happen is, see that those move there? It causes like those bits of water to go up and down. I find that very fascinating. That's pretty much all I have to say about this. So, see you guys then.